Hey guys, it's Sunday and I'm trying to burp the baby. What's wrong? No, don't cry. Don't cry, little baby. Hey. Oh, geez, she's got snot on her nose. Here, let's wipe your nose. No. Normally it takes me forever to burp her, but she actually burped pretty quick. Oh, are you okay now? Is the baby okay? Is the baby not fussy anymore? Are you trying to climb up, sissy? Like I'm a mountain or a hill? No, don't fussy. No, shh. Look, see? No, shh. It's okay, baby. Sissy's here. Sissy's here. I better see if I can calm her down.